Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the science behind your favorite beauty products. Today, we're exploring a product that promises to transform the health of your hair. LOrealProfessionnel Paris Absolut Repair Molecular Rinse-Off Serum. If you're battling damaged hair and looking for a solution that works from the inside out, stick around. This might just be the treatment you need. The Absolut Repair Molecular Rinse-Off Serum from L'Oreal is specifically designed to repair and restore strength to damaged hair, no matter the cause of the damage. Whether you're dealing with heat styling, color treatments, or environmental stressors, this deep conditioning serum promises to rebuild your hair's molecular structure and deliver intense hydration. In terms of ingredients, this serum is a powerhouse. It's free from parabens, mineral oils, sulfates, and silicones, which is a big plus for anyone looking to avoid harsh chemicals in their hair care routine. Instead, it focuses on using a carefully crafted formula that penetrates deeply into the hair fibers, working to restore both the structure and strength of your strands. The scent is a soft, vanilla-floral blend that isn't overpowering, but leaves your hair smelling fresh and pleasant. When I first incorporated this serum into my routine, I was genuinely impressed with how easy it was to use. After shampooing, I applied a generous amount of the serum to my damp hair, focusing on the ends. It has a smooth, creamy texture that doesn't feel too heavy or greasy. Upon rinsing, my hair felt noticeably softer, and there was a slight sheen that indicated the serum had done its job. I used it consistently for about 2 weeks, and I could feel the cumulative effect each time I washed my hair. The results were gradual but noticeable. My hair was less brittle, more manageable, and felt stronger overall. I used it during my regular morning routine, but I'd be curious to see how it performs for evening treatments or deeper conditioning sessions. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula is free from harsh ingredients that can often do more harm than good, and the deep conditioning effect is genuinely noticeable after just one use. My hair felt softer, smoother, and less prone to frizz. Over time, I noticed fewer breakages and split ends, which is always a good sign of healthy hair repair. However, it's not perfect. While the scent is lovely, it might be a bit too floral for those who prefer more neutral or fresh scents in their hair products. Another thing to keep in mind is the price point. It's not the cheapest serum out there, and while I do believe it works, you might want to consider if it fits within your budget for regular use. Is it worth the money? That really depends on your priorities. If you're looking for a high-quality, professional-level treatment that can help restore the strength and integrity of your hair, this serum could be a great investment. The formula's ingredients and performance suggest it's a well-rounded option for those dealing with significant hair damage. But if you're simply looking for a basic conditioner, there might be other products at a lower price point that offer similar results. For those of you who are familiar with other deep conditioning treatments, the Absolut Repair Molecular Serum competes with high-end products like the Olaplex No. 3 treatment, but with a more accessible price tag, especially for regular use. As for build quality, the packaging is typical of L'Oreal's Professionnel line: sleek, simple, and functional. It's not the most luxurious packaging out there, but it's sturdy and gets the job done. I appreciate that the product is also a good size, 250 milliliters, meaning it should last quite a while if used regularly. Now, I haven't had any direct interaction with customer service, but L'Oreal generally has a strong reputation for customer support. So if you do have any issues, they should be responsive. If you're on the hunt for something similar but at a lower price, there are plenty of drugstore alternatives, like the OGX Damage Remedy Plus Replenishing Oil or the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask, which provides similar benefits at a fraction of the cost. However, if you're seeking a salon-quality treatment that is sulfate-free, this one stands out in its category. To wrap it all up, the LOrealProfessionnel Paris Absolut Repair Molecular Rinse-Off Serum is a solid product that truly lives up to its claims of restoring strength and repairing damage. Its effectiveness, especially for those with severely damaged hair, makes it a worthwhile investment if you're willing to spend a little more for professional-level results. Just keep in mind that it may not be the best fit for those on a budget or those who prefer simpler scent-free products. If this review has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a deep dive like this one. Your support helps us bring more honest reviews to the beauty-loving community. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.